Welcome to my first video, everyone. It's a natural everyday tutorial. Please make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and I hope you all enjoy watching. We're gonna take our brow pomade or pencil, whichever one you choose, and we're gonna fill in our eyebrows. What I chose to use was the Crayon Case eyebrow pomade in the shade dark brown. So as we're filling in our brows, we're going to keep in mind that our brows are twins, but they are not identical. As you can see, that mine are not identical. So after we fill in our brows, we're going to go in with our concealer, and we are going to conceal our brows just a little bit. So next we're going to go in with our primer, the Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Primer by Rihanna, and we're going to just rub that into our skin. We're going to get it all rubbed in, let it sink into our skin. For the next step, I'm just being a little extra, and I'm spraying my face with rose water because I really love rose water, like y'all. So next we're going to go in with our foundation. And our foundation of choice is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. I'm just going to try to evenly spread that all around my face. Yes, so stop blend for your life. Please blend for your life.
Need a house with a pool in it, bamboo, juice limit. We don't fuck around with the fuck around and be too busy. Other niggas, they be too timid. Stutter step, old pivot. Back then, we was loading up the Mac 10s. Now we get it on the back end.
And we're going back in with our AJ Crimson Dual Skin Cream Foundation, and we're going to conceal. After the concealer gets all blended in, next we're going in with our Mercier setting powder. And we're just going to set the places that we concealed in. We're not going to bake, we're only setting because, again, this is an everyday natural tutorial. So we're going to keep it natural, simple, and not overdo it.
Yeah. Going on you with the pick and roll. Yellow flame, in sicko mode.
Now it's time for my favorite part of the makeup, which is contouring. And we're going to use the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the color Expresso to contour. And then we're going to blend that contour on out and keep it moving with the rest of the tutorial.
I'ma get to them how they want it, that's the only way I know. Look, double cup, lean in it, cut long, we send it, new year, we win it, past bitches, flea flicker, conform, windows tinted, trunk full, got bows in it, fuck the police, bitch you know me, I'm a young niggas, pay attention. Smoke some, toke some, been a minute since I wrote some. When the last time you heard real?
Now this step is optional as far as using a contour powder to put on top of the matchstick that we use to contour with. Normally I don't do this, but because I want to be just a little bit extra and I like that extra warmth on my face, I'm going to use powder as well. Now this Morphe 3502 palette, y'all, you have got to get your hands on this. This is my holy grail palette, or one of them at least. But I only use 2 colors out of the whole entire palette when it comes to doing a more natural, on-the-go, everyday look.
New highs, new ways, new lines, purple weed, blue skies. I don't really care who rides, just don't
Now that I'm pretty much done with my eyes and everything, I am going to go off camera and I'm going to put my lashes on because I am not a pro at putting on lashes. So I'll be right back. I'm back. Did you miss me? So next I'm going to go in with my black eyeliner pencil that I got from my local beauty supply. And I'm just going to line my waterline. So next we're going to go in with this blush. And y'all, let me just tell y'all, I love Taraji P. Henson so freaking much. And when she released this collection with MAC, sus, I was invited to go and meet her. I met Taraji P. Henson. When I tell y'all my 2016 was so lit, this just made me get into makeup even more. So next we're going to go in with a little bit of mascara. We're going to hit our bottom lashes, and we're also going to mix our real lashes with our false lashes. So next we're going to go in with highlighter using the Couture and Jackie Aina collection. Yes, you all guessed it. It is in the shade Le Bronze. I haven't tried Le Peach yet. But this is my holy grail. Like, y'all, this is my holy grail when it comes to highlighter. I love this highlighter. It gives you a Eve's summer doll, shine bright, shine far, don't be shy, be a star kind of glow, sis. Alright everybody, the lips are the last step to the tutorial, and this lip combo, y'all, I live for it. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and check the description box because all the products will be listed down there as well. And I'll see you on the next one. All right. I see y'all have made it to the end of the video. Yay! I hope y'all like the look or whatever. Comment down below and tell me who I look like with this hair wrap on, just like this. Got two people in mind, but I think we all know exactly who. I'm just more chocolate. But yeah, okay, so thank y'all for watching. This is my first video on Twitter. Please stay tuned because I am one funny, humble individual, and I guarantee y'all gonna love me. And then if I'm not your cup of tea, it's cool. Just make sure you subscribe. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at Davy. Pause. My Instagram name has changed. If anybody wants to reach out to me business-wise, I will have my email in the description box as well because 2019 is all about growth and development, and I want to grow and develop a lot of stuff with you all. You know what I'm saying? So I hope y'all like the look. I'm in a rush now because I really have to go to the procrastinating all day, and I gotta make it to the post office so I can return this pretty little thing package. I got some really good stuff coming up for the month of February. Mainly just photos. I'm going to probably do like 2 videos, try to get 2 videos out for February. Other than that, I have a lot in store. So please make sure you follow your girl. Be yourself. That's all I can really say is just, man, look, you got to be yourself. Yeah, but I'm finally here. Better late than never. But never late is better. You know what I'm saying? Alright, that's all I got right now. Because, yeah, I gotta go. Bye!